this is Harvey Jai from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. This time I'm gonna do an unboxing of Samsung Galaxy Ultra 22. I have bought directly from Samsung, so I've got the box of Samsung here, and let's open the box and let's see what we have inside. Here we go. Beautiful looking box of Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. S is written in red version, nothing else inside the box. Beautiful looking box. You have some information written at the top, nothing, and you see here is written also in red Galaxy S22 Ultra. One thing you notice, the box is slim, something as iPhone 12, iPhone 13. They're making similar slim boxes. So they are not giving you more charger, also headset. This is a shame. You pay the same amount of money, you get less thing. Here is written also Samsung, you can see here. Beautiful, the tag here to side. So without further ado, I'm gonna use my knife to cut this pack. Put here as this, and I'm gonna cut this one. Here we go, this side. And this side as well. Perfect, is done. Now let's go to the product. Let's see, let's open for the first time. Here we go. Wow, beautiful. It looks similar to Note 20. Let's go to the phone. I will take this off as this, I think. Beautiful device. Wow. Put one side. Let's see what we have in the box. Here we have one small pack, nothing else. In the past they had more things. Let me show you here. This is Note 20 version. So here it came with another box with more things, cover and more sometime, and here charger, headset, all it had. But now you don't have anything, empty box, only this pack. Let's see what we have in this pack. Data cable, you see, C port, both sides C port. So if you have previous charger of Samsung, you can use very easily. And you have pin for SIM tray. What else? Maybe some manual or something could be. Let's see. Let me try take out. Okay, few things from Samsung, some information here and there, but very few things. I put one side. The display of this phone is 6.8 inches. Backside you have 4 camera. One camera is 108 megapixel. After that one is 10 if I'm not wrong, then 12 megapixel of 2 if I'm not wrong. You see the backside, beautiful logo of Samsung and all the sticker here. Bottom side you can see here you have C port for the charging, SIM port, the volume button, and most important S Pen here. I will go to that later. At the top you have one hole for mic or speaker, whatever. One antenna line. This side nothing, only 2 antenna line. Here you have power button, volume rocker button, one antenna line. Beautiful. I will take out the S Pen to show you guys. The S Pen is in black color. All the S Pen of Note version, they were in different color. Whatever. Let me hit the power button. Wow, Samsung logo, you can see. Excellent, beautiful looking phone. My God. And it's loading the phone, and you have to do setup. In my next video, I'm gonna show you how you can put the SIM inside and how you can do setup, also make an Samsung account. Okay guys, if you want that, check my next video. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.